I hope everybody's doing well. It's kind of hard what I'm doing. I'm doing back-to-back vlogs on my commute to work, so I get confused of what have I've already said. Anyway, I watched a video this morning by DeathsStalker. He did a video about where he lives up in Canada. They're about to, or they did pass some new noise ordinances for loud vehicles, motorcycles, cars, trucks, and the like. And I don't know any details on what they consider loud, or if they got a decibel meter, or how they're going to determine that. But yeah, let's. What do you guys think about that? Now, my personal belief is, you know, I always hear the loud pipe sound save lives, and okay, I agree with that somewhat. But you know, you're traveling down the road, your motorcycle, your car really does not project the sound in front of you as loud as you think it does. So, you know, you wonder why the car in front of you didn't hear you coming. Well, it's because of science. That's part of the reason. But a lot of people have music on anyway, and you know, it's hard to tell exactly where a loud vehicle is coming from inside another vehicle. So I don't, it doesn't bother me because I don't have loud pipes. Now, I did have, when I had my Cruiser and my Ducati as well, I put aftermarket pipes on them, and it did make them sound different and louder. But it was never so obnoxious that I had complaints about it. Normally people say, oh, that sounds pretty good. That's the normal. That's what I consider, you know, good sounding pipes. They don't have to be ridiculously loud. And I know some, and I hate to pigeonhole a Harley Davidson rider, but Harley Davidsons are notorious for having extremely loud pipes, typically straight pipes. I've ridden behind some Harleys when I had my Cruiser, and I'm not even talking, like, I wasn't even that close to them. Let's just say, you know, 20 feet maybe behind the other bike. And it was so loud, I couldn't hear my own motorcycle. And if I got any closer, and now granted I wasn't wearing hearing protection, which I might have should have, but it hurt to be that close to it, at least behind the bike. But I guarantee you the people in front didn't feel the same way I did. So there's a fine line between good sounding exhaust, loud exhaust, and obnoxious exhaust. I've heard cars, and it all depends on the pitch too. I mean, if you had a decibel meter and you put it and you measure the sound volume or the sound loudness of something with a lower frequency, it's not going to sound as bad to most as something with a higher pitch. So some of these sport bikes that it sound like they're running straight pipes and they're getting on a throttle, they sound like an angry mosquito going down the highway. That's ear piercing. The same with some of these Japanese cars that get all tuned up and they put those loud pipes on them. Some of the frequency that those pipes are is super obnoxious. So what do you think? What's your take on noise ordinances and laws for modified loud exhaust? You know, I categorize that in the same aspect I do tinted windows. You know, a law was passed by the people we put into office, whether it was state, federal, or local governments. So we can only blame ourselves when a lot of this stuff happens. And yeah, you know, I feel the same way about tinted windows. I know tinted windows are good for the interior of your car. They make you feel cooler, to make your air conditioner not work as hard. But, you know, sometimes law enforcement or otherwise, people need to see inside your vehicle. I mean, it's not just law enforcement. What if you were having a medical emergency, or you had a dog or a kid in the back seat on a hot day, etc.? No one was able to see. You know, a lot of lives, both humans and animals, have been saved because a passerby happened to see one of them, child or animal or otherwise, in the back seat on a hot day and realized something wasn't right. If they weren't able to see into that vehicle because the tint was too dark, you know, the outcome could have been fatal. But anyway, I'm getting off topic here, and oh man, they sprayed some biosolids through here. It smells awful. Anyway, you guys be safe. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll link DeathsStalker's video up here. I think is where it shows up. You guys be safe, and I will talk to you again on the next link. Later. hell are you doing? What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe and I'll talk to you again on the next video.